In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a project in Kaggle. Now first, you want to open your dashboard and then you want to click on this plus button here in the top left, and when you do so, you'll see a bunch of different things. Now making a project usually refers to making either a notebook or a dataset. So I'm going to show you how to create either of these, and most often you likely will be creating notebooks over here inside which you can then upload datasets and work with them, okay? So to make this, if you do a dataset over here, it's going to allow you to basically upload data. So I can just browse files. For example, I can find something like this, click on open, it's a zip folder. You have to give it a name, so I can like just name this one test 123 whatever, and then over here you can set private or public, and of course you can upload more if you wanna, and click on create. Now whenever you do this over here, it's going to start creating that, and that's basically how you make a project with a data set here inside the Kaggle. Okay, you can then go to your data set, and there we go, it's mine. I uploaded this one over here. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. But of course, if you want to create a project as a notebook, you can click on plus and then click on notebook, and then here you'll be able to create one just like that. So as you can see, it automatically creates one. You can rename it up top. I'm going to name this one test 123, and then over here you can see kind of your main code you have in here. You could start uploading your data sets, you could add inputs, you can basically turn different things on like GPUs, internet, etc. down here. And for more tutorials on how to actually navigate this, how to upload things, restart them, stuff like that, I do have a lot of other tutorials on Kaggle, so go watch my entire playlist on my channel. So that's essentially how to make a project. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.